everybody? I'm out here fishing on the float tube today. I'm on Tiber Reservoir and I am fishing for walleye and pike. I got something on here. I was just bouncing a Carolina rig off the bottom and it feels pretty good. Not sure what it is. Oh, it's a good walleye. Not bad at all. That's a good 20-inch walleye. Good eater. It's a little skinny. Look at that, that's a nice fish. Beauty. Let's let it go. See ya, buddy. And let's get some more. Alright, I got another fish. Got it on a fathead minnow. It's got some good weight. Oh yeah, that's a good fish, whatever it is. Oh yeah. I gotta strap this other rod down just in case. Alright, come on. Oh, it's a pike. Thought it was fighting a little harder than a walleye. There we go. There we go. It's a little bloody, but he should make it. It didn't get in the gills. He just took it in a little too deep. But, yep, there he goes. He's definitely gonna make it. Dropping this jig down. This is a jig head with a fathead minnow on it. Gonna see if we can get a bite. I think I'm over a few fish right now. There's a fish. See what we got. I think it's a pike. Oh, it's a walleye. Very cool. About the same size as the last one. Nice fight on that. That's one of the better fighting walleye I've caught. Look at that nice fish. Look how sharp that is. That's crazy. You don't want to get stuck with that. Beautiful walleye. Just using these little fat heads. Just hooking it behind the head, then put my hook keeper in just like that. Makes a nice bait. There's a drop off over here that I caught that one on that goes from like 20 to 60 feet pretty quick. Just let it sink all the way down. I just jig it up, give it a few jigs, let it fall on a tight line. So I can feel it as it's going down. And then when a fish hits, you just feel a thump or it just stops. Pretty cool. Got something. Got this one trolling the Carolina rig with a flig and a fat head, and it is another walleye. Smaller one this time. But we will take a walleye whenever we can get one. Little guy. Got another fish on. Oh, dude, if that one's not a pike, I don't know what it is. Got another walleye. I am surprised. That thing had head shakes for days. It's trying to puncture a hole in my tube. Don't do that. Another little guy. Fights like a monster, though. Oh, this is my minnow. Don't want to waste any of those, so I'll gladly take that back. It's getting pretty windy, so I've decided I'm going to call it a day. It's really hard to kick out in these waves. So, yeah, it was a good day. A few walleye, a little pike. Pretty fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.